And I think this is what is important, that what someone could do as an entrepreneurial activity, as an economic activity with incentive, someone would not be able to do if he was paid by Government of India or he was paid by our group. We know when Government of India has pushed, has sustained this system for 60 long years by all kinds of rural schemes, we haven't made as much an impact as we would wish to. Same thing would happen if the private sector would do. So the point that I'm trying to make is, we will have to pursue this cause as business understands it, and the event which will ensure that cost which becomes important is, if many people were encouraged to do the same events in the same territory, possibly cost will come down. We've seen the cost coming down in MFI, we will see the cost come down in insurance, banking, everywhere, and the costs are coming down is a clear indication. Second issue which I think is important after we bifurcated this market is that if we were to reach scale, so I think scale cannot depend on those who are financially excluded, so let's focus on those who are included. Have we reached scale in insurance? And I think the numbers that are coming, we haven't reached scales there. Now this, I think, is a bigger question for us to ask, that those which are economically included, why are we not reaching scale as a nation there, and is something going wrong there? And I think the answers that we are getting is, we had a very long journey. That journey was possibly a journey which was possibly